Hi, my name's Abbey and this is my dad, and welcome to Cooking with Abbey Season 3.
Welcome back, everybody. We've been gone for a little while. Now we're back. We have our faithful assistant who is hidden away again. She's a lot taller. This one's a lot taller. I'm a lot, less hairy, a little older.
And taller.
And taller? You think I'm taller? Oh, thanks. I don't think I'm taller. If anything, I'm shrinking. So we're back. We've got some exciting episodes that we've already done. We've got some new and exciting recipes that we're going to try. And then we also have some oldies but goldies, where this one's really young and this one's a little more annoying. And so we're going to put those out as well. We have some other shows, but we're definitely going to put out at least one episode a week. Sometimes we're going to go live. We made challah, which is like egg bread, the other day, and we did that one live. So we're going to do live stuff. We're going to do some simpler things. We're going to do some testing of fun and exciting snacks. And yeah, we're back. So where can people find us, Mrs. Abigail? And once they found us, where can they do?
So go to cookingwithabby.com if you want to see the recipes we made, and then you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want to see more of our videos, you hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell thingy.
Sounds like a plan. What about you? You got anything to add to that?
No.
Sounds pretty complete, eh? She did a pretty good job there. All right, everybody. See you soon.
Bye.
Happy people.
Ow.
Ow. You gotta duck down.
Me?
Yeah, you. We're doing the intro.
Oh, yeah. Am I shown?
No, you're good.